Hi friends, good evening. Today I am going to discuss about one interesting tool which is inbuilt with the tradingview.com. While seeing this chart, right, let's say if we wanted to see the fundamentals of the stocks or financial statements, all those things, right, what we will do is most of the time we will go for the screener's website. Okay, we open the screener's website and search for this company and do it. Okay, to avoid the delay and opening other site and doing the things, right, here itself we can do it. Okay, this is the watch list. Once you add the watch list, right, let's say for example I wanted to see for the FSL. Okay, in the FSL, here if you see metrics is there, right, press the metrics. Okay, financials, technicals and forecast will be there. Financials, if you see the financials, right, here you can see all the 2018, 19, 20, 22, what is the growth and profitability. Okay, similarly all the things, estimations, okay, earnings expectations, okay, financial health, financial position analysis. Similarly the statements, right, the financial statements like income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, all these things you can see. Only the thing is, okay, if you go with the screener, there we can see in the crores, here it is in the billions. Okay, the balance sheet, the statements, right, we can see. Okay, these are the drop down box. If you go to the total current assets, non-current assets, okay, long-term investments, equipments, okay, net intangible assets, deferred charges, all everything. Okay, whatever the things, everything will be available here. I think I need to explore. We can change into the instead millions, right, we can change into the Indian currency crores. Okay, the profit ratio, okay, return on assets, okay, gross margins, operating profit margin, EBITDA, net margin, okay, liquid ratios, okay, quick ratio, current ratio, insolvency ratio, asset turnover, okay, debt to equity ratio, all these things. Okay, here the earnings, right, the quarterly EPS, this is the EPS, earning per share. Okay, revenue guidance, okay, what is the revenue, which quarter, what is this, okay, reported, what is this, estimated, all these things, right, surprise. If you go to the similarly the revenue, okay, banking and financial services, healthcare, whatever the assets, everything will be there here. Okay, most of the things. Only thing is we need to slowly practice it to understand the terminology which the TradingView uses, and we habituated for the other places like ticker tape and screeners, all the websites, right. So most of the things here itself we can validate it. Okay, this is the financial thing. Technicals, right, if we go to the technicals, right, here we can see 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, right. This first source solutions, in the last 2 hours it is buy recommendation, right, strong buy. Moving averages are saying strong buy. Similarly relative strength index, right, RSI, stochastic, commodity channel index, average ADX, okay, awesome oscillator, momentum oscillator, MACD, stochastic, okay, Williams percentage range, bull bear power, okay, ultimate oscillators, whatever the indicators are there, all the indicators value will be there. The pivot points, the numbers, all these things are there in the technicals. Okay, if you go for the 5 minutes, right, in the 5 minutes it is neutral. Okay, in case if you don't know the technical analysis, right, here itself you can see, you can bet on the whatever it is. Okay, Nifty, all these things. This is one way of looking the technicals here. Similarly go here the forecast, right. Let's say if you want, you bought the stock, you wanted to know the target, what is the target price and the stop loss, right. Easily you can go here. This is the current price. Okay, the stop loss you can put 130, the target you can put 155. If the person not knowing how to keep the target, right, this is the target you can keep, this is the current price, and you can put this is the stop loss and wait for to hit the stop loss or target. Okay, you can put here. This is how you can do all this analysis in the trading view itself. Everything will be there in the trading view, just we have to explore the things. Okay, if we see, right, the Kirloskar oil engines. Okay, here once you select the particular field, okay, let's say I selected the forecast. Okay, now I wanted to see the forecast for all these stocks. Just change the stocks, scroll down. Okay, now Kirloskar oil engines, now Indigo Paints. Okay, now I wanted to see the here if you see, right, analyst rating based on 8 analysts giving the stock rating Indigo Paints Limited in the past 3 months. It is neutral. Strong buy, three institutions are giving the strong buy. One institution is giving the buy, hold one sell to strong sell one. Okay, this is the analyst. Okay, what is those analyst, all those things, I don't know where it is, we need to explore it. Okay, the reported profits, right, what is the earnings, the currency, all these things, right, we can see it here. Okay, technicals, these are the financials, earnings, dividends, statistics. Okay, statements, overview. Here itself we can see about the stock, what is the stock and when it is established and where, which sector, which domain it is working. All these things will be here. Okay, the website, who is the CEO, management, employees, how many employees are there. Okay, when the company started, basic EPS. Okay, growth, profitability. You can see the total revenues, how it is improving. Okay, all the information, most of the information in fingerprint, within 2-3 fingerprints you can get it here itself. In case if you wanted to go back to the chart, right, just press the into. Okay, you can go back here. This is the watch list. You can have a number of watch list you can create. Okay, these are the F&O stocks. If I wanted to see the SBI Life, right, I can go here. Okay, the forecast I can see, strong buy is there. See, even if I wanted to buy, let's say for example I selected a stock, okay, Cipla, for trading purpose or for investment purpose I selected. I can think like based on 38 analysts giving the stock rating as Cipla Limited in the past 3 months. Okay, strong buy rating, lot of institutions give the buy rating. So I am also wanted to buy, my study is matching with the most number of the analysts. So let's go for the buy and keep the stop loss as 1156 is the stop loss. Okay, 1389 is the forecast, which is the profit. So, something like that. See, something is better than nothing, right? Okay, instead of going that YouTube channel, this YouTube channel, wasting your time, just try to explore yourself and learn the things from the these things. That is the intention behind this video. That's all, guys. I wanted to explain all these things for today's. Please subscribe for my channel. Thank you, friends.